Now this function will have many heads turning. The all-new BMW 7 Series can automatically pull in and out of your garage and a narrow parking space. All you need to do is press this button on the display key. Now, a number of sensors ensure that your BMW 7 Series can securely pull in and out of the parking space by automatically supervising braking, acceleration, and steering. Once settled in, there's no need to sit inside the car. The engine turns off automatically. Starting and killing the engine is of course done remotely with the display key.